I hate wasting food, so I'm always coming up with ideas to combine leftovers and make a meal. Here's one using leftover cabbage, leftover potatoes, and scrambled eggs. I hope you like it. I have half a leftover cooked cabbage. I have 5 yellow Yukon Gold potatoes already cooked. And I have 5 eggs. I've scrambled and I'm holding those for later. This will serve 2 people with large appetites, I hope. I've spread the potatoes in the skillet nice and even, so they will cook evenly and brown and heat evenly. And I'm adding the cabbage. I'm not sure how much I'll need. I've used about half of the cabbage. Actually, I've used most of the cabbage. This is a half a cabbage head. I'll let those warm up. I'm turning the heat down because I'm almost ready to add the eggs and I don't want to burn them. Okay, I have 5 eggs I've scrambled here. I added some garlic powder to the eggs. The temperature is perfect. The eggs are setting up a little bit. I like my eggs cooked well, so I'm going to stir them slowly and carefully. Eggs should always be cooked to about 160 or 165 for food safety. I'm taking a temperature reading. It needs just a little bit more time. I'm taking another temperature reading. Yep, the eggs are ready. Hi there. Thank you so much for stopping by Veggies and Sage. Please be a sweetheart and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm getting closer to monetization. It would help me earn money to make more food for the channel. Thank you so much.